Good morning students, welcome to Ganit Loka. So today I am solving first three exercises of exercise first of trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry chapter. The first problem here is in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter, determine. First problem is sin A cos A, then second one is sin C cos C. So draw the right angle triangle. A right angle is at B, AB, C. Given is AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and we have to find out AC. So for finding out any trigonometric ratios of this right angle triangle, we must know all the lengths of sides of the triangle. Here we know AB, BC, and we will find out the length of the side AC. So first write given here. Given is what? AB is 24 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. Then by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is AB is 24 square plus BC is 7 square. The square of 24 is 576 plus 49. This is 625. Therefore AC square equal to 625. AC equal to square root of 625. AC equal to 25 centimeter. So we got AC equal to 25 centimeter. The question is, first question is sin A cos A. For this, with respect to angle A, BC is opposite side of angle A and adjacent is AB and AC is hypotenuse. So the ratio of sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. For angle A, opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC is how much? 7 by AC is 25. So this is sin A. Then cos A. Cos A is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side for angle A is AB. AB upon AC. AB is 24 upon 25. So first answer is sin A cos A equal to, this is not into, sin A 7 by 25 and 24 by 25. This is the answer for the first question. Now second question is sin C and cos C. Here we have to find out the trigonometric ratios for angle C, for this angle. Draw another triangle here. A, B, C. For this we have to find out the ratios. AB is 24, BC 7 and this is 25. Sin C is opposite side by hypotenuse. For this angle C, opposite is AB here. AB upon AC, that is 24 by 25. 24 by 25 and cos C. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. For cos C, adjacent is BC. BC upon AC. BC is 7 and 25. Therefore, sin C cos C is 24 by 25 and 7 by 25. This is the answer. Now the second question of the exercise is, in figure 8.13 find tan P minus cot R equal cot R. Again draw a right angle triangle. It is given that in figure 8.13 in textbook figure is there, P Q R. What is given here? Given is angle Q equal to 90 degree and PQ equal to 12 centimeter and QR equal to, we have to find out that, and PR equal to 13 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter, this is 13 centimeter, and we have to find out QR. For finding any trigonometric ratios, we have to find out the lengths of all the three sides of the triangle. So again by Pythagoras theorem, PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Given is PR 13 square equal to PQ is 12 plus QR square. 13 square root of 13 square of 13 is 169 equal to 144 plus QR square. Therefore, QR square equal to 169 minus 144, that is 25. QR equal to square root of 25, that is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Now the question is tan P and cot R. First we will find out tan P. For with respect to angle P, acute angle P and Q right angle, the ratio of tan is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent side. This is adjacent side. For tan P, opposite side is QR, that is 5, and adjacent side is 12. So tan P is 5 by 12. Similarly, we will find out cot R. Cot R. Cot R means this is angle R. For angle R, QR becomes adjacent and PQ becomes opposite side. Cot R, for cot R, the ratio is adjacent side upon opposite side. For cot R, adjacent side is 5 and opposite is 12. Therefore, question is tan P minus cot R. This is 5 by 12 and cot R is also 5 by 12. This 0. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. This is the answer for the second question. Now the third question in the textbook is, if sin A equal to 3 by 4, if sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Again draw triangle A, BC, right angled at B, and the trigonometric ratio for angle is A here. We have to find out the cos A and tan A. So for A, we have to find out the trigonometric ratios. What is given? Given is sin A equal to 3 by 4. But sin A is what? The ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is for sin A is BC and hypotenuse is AC, means 3 by 4. Therefore, BC equal to 3 and AC equal to 4 units. 3 and AC is 4. We have to find out AB. For finding out AB, again by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 4. 4 square plus, we have to find out AB square plus BC is 3 square. This is 16 equal to AB square plus 3 3s are 9. Therefore, AB square equal to 16 minus 9 equal to 7. Therefore, AB equal to root 7 centimeter or units. This is 7. Now what we have to do? Cos A and tan A. First one is cos A. The ratio of cos A is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side for A is AB. Hypotenuse AC. AB is root 7 and AC is 4. Then second one is tan A. The ratio of tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite for tan A, opposite is BC and adjacent is AB. AB is adjacent to A. Therefore, BC is 3 and AB is root 7. This is the answer. Therefore, cos A equal to root 7 by 4 and tan A equal to 3 by root. This is the answer. So in the next video, we will solve another 3 problems from the same exercise. Okay, thank you. Bye.